Meaning of helipad.
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 Helipad. A helipad is a designated area for landing and takeoff of helicopters. It is often located on buildings, ships, hospitals, or other places where aircraft need to land in restricted spaces. Helipads are constructed with a smooth surface and markings to indicate the approach and departure paths. They often have lighting and wind indicators for safe operation at night and in adverse weather conditions. Helipads play an important role in emergency medical services, military operations, and tourist travel. They provide rapid access to remote or inaccessible areas and help save lives in critical situations.